In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw crypto from your Bitget account. 1. Launch the Bitget mobile app on your device and log into your account. Once logged in, locate and tap the Assets option at the bottom right corner of the main menu. Within the Assets section, you'll find various options. Select Withdraw to proceed with withdrawing your cryptocurrency. From the list of available cryptocurrencies, choose the one you wish to withdraw. For example, you can select USDT. For external wallet withdrawals, select On-Chain Withdrawal option. Choose the appropriate blockchain network from your transaction. This ensures the compatibility and smooth processing. Enter the address of your external wallet where you want to send the cryptocurrency. You can also pick a saved address. You can also pick a saved address from your account if available. Next, specify the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. And once you've filled all the withdrawals details, use the Withdraw button to proceed with the transaction. If you intend to withdraw funds from your future account, you must first transfer them into spot account. This can be accomplished by selecting the transfer option within the Assets button. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.